Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of slugs and snails from your garden. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm your host, Michael McCullough, aka Mr. Mac, or some people just call me Sir Mac. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to get rid of slugs and snail from your garden. And it's simple. What you're going to need is a beer, a red stripe, a bottle like this, your opener and your knife. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this bottle about a quarter of the way from the bottom. Like this. You don't have to get it perfect. Alright. It's about like this. And next, you open your beer and pour it in. Alright. Now, when you identify the area in your garden, all you're going to do is you're going to dig a hole and put this down in it. And you want to make sure that when it goes inside of the hole, it goes deep enough that the ground and this become the same level. Alright, and then that's it. Alright guys, so welcome back. Now we are in the garden and I'm going to show you basically how you're going to set up this natural way of getting rid of your slugs and snails. So what you're going to do, you're going to dig a hole. And by the way, these are the callos that I planted from the cuttings the other day. See? They're growing very, very well. Alright, and this is just what? A week old. Things are around 10 days old. So you're going to dig a hole, just like this, and you're going to put the container in. Just move down a little. You're going to set the container down, and you're going to put back. And it depends on how much of a problem you have. You could do 4, 5, 6 of these. I'll have to just buy 6 or so beer. Alright, and this is very safe. Alright, so you don't have to worry about if you have pets and stuff. By the way, you could just put down the container flat on the surface, you know. It could work, or they could crawl up on the side and enter it. But this is more effective because say you have animals in your surrounding, they can walk and they can bounce it over. Right? And then that will render your trap useless. So you want to do it like this. Right, make sure that it is properly secured, and if you have anything down in here, you can just take it out, or if you don't want, you can leave because it's not gonna make a difference. Right, and remember now, slugs are nocturnal, so this trap won't work during the day, it will only work in the night. So they will come out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back tonight and I'm going to show you, alright, this in action. So what I'm going to do now is just get beer. I'm going to open it and just pour it down in it. Alright, give them a drink, ladies and gentlemen, give them a drink. So what they will do, they will smell this beer wherever they are. They will smell it because it have a very high smell, and they will come, crawl all the way, and when they reach here, they will just fall off, drop down in it, and they will drown. Right? So you can have this, you can set this up for like maybe a week, 2 weeks, right, until it full up. And when it full up, all you have to do is just remove it, dump it, put back some fresh beer in it, and there you go again. Ladies and gentlemen, Try it. Get rid of your slugs and snails naturally. Stay tuned, because I'm going to come back tonight and I'm going to show you this. Alright? Thank you very much.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, you see? Huh? See him looking down? He needs that beer. See there? One is on the wall. We have one here that is walking away. So guys, as you can see, this actually work. Right? And the only thing that I will do is to put some more beer in it so it come all the way up, so that I don't have to have that time all that time walking down in it. So for this trap, maybe you'll need another beer or two. Alright, and remember, you can reuse this over and over and over. It will work every night. As you can see, we have two more right there. We have one down in there, in the beer itself, and one on the wall of the container. Thank you very much, and remember to subscribe to my channel and to like, share. See you next time. For home and garden fix and tricks, I'm Nikal. Take care.